lost over 220 pounds. I'm gonna show you how you make a low carb strawberry shortcake mug cake. Except for it's kind of not gonna be a mug cake because all I have is bowls because, well, I don't feel like doing dishes, you feel me? For this recipe, I'm using the Birch Benders Keto Carb Friendly Pancake Mix. I get mine from Thrive Market, and a serving is a 1/3 cup mix, which is what I'm gonna use. Gonna mix in some water. Plastic silverware because, well, I hate doing dishes. Again, not my thing. Got a consistency going here. And now I'm going to put it in Chef Mike, the microwave, for about 45 seconds to a minute. Kind of just depends on your microwave. Keep an eye on it. You'll know when it's cooked. Just don't like overcook it. It'll be dry. Baked to perfection because A1 baking skills, obviously. I love this stuff. It's a sugar-free strawberry glaze. I usually get mine at the Crochet, but I'll tell you a little trick if you cannot find this. So, but first let me put mine in. It's only 10 calories for 3 tablespoons. So I layer that puppy up. Glaze all covered. If you do not have the sugar-free strawberry glaze, you can mix some strawberry skinny syrup with some Swerve confectioner sugar. This is a 0 calorie, 0 sugar sweetener. Mix that together. It makes like an icing or a glaze you can pour over it. Trust me, it'll be good. I've done it. Okay, now that we have our glaze on, what do we need? Fresh strawberries, of course. So I chopped me up some. Man, I'll tell you what, these strawberries from the grocery store were looking extra delicious this time. The last couple batches I've got, y'all saw them. They were scary looking. They didn't look very good. They didn't taste very good either, to be honest. These looked divine. Okay, she's looking gorgina. You know the drill. Jazz her up. I've not had any of this in a while. It's 0 sugar Ready Whip. Okay, are you ready? Okay. But she's gorgeous, right? And if you're an OG, one for a good measure always, and you better say that out loud. The best part of the whole thing. Taste test, shall we? Oh my gosh, I hate to even destroy this Gorgina thing, but we must. Oh, that's a big old bite. Hold on. There we go. Oh my gosh, does that not look so good? Just like Granny used to make.